Hi, good afternoon. David Stolfo here with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-614-6968. We'd love to hear from you about this really nice Crest III 220 tri-toon boat that we're offering. Love this boat in the way it rides, runs, and looks. It's got a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard that will really propel this boat strong out of the hole, and a great top end, just all around wonderful performance. It's a real quiet and running engine too, and it's great on fuel. So I think you'll like all that about it. Packaged with that 200 horsepower is the performance, the CP T Deluxe package, which includes the 48-gallon tank. You've got full aluminum underskinning the full length of the boat, extruded hull down the full length of the logs. You also get the lifting strakes, the splash guards, and it just runs great. Love how this boat performs with that 200 horsepower. Also with the package comes with that Junior Beast ski tow bar. It's nice and heavy duty. Love the center walkthrough here with the twin loungers behind me here. It's really nice. It's finished in a real light, a dove gray, if you will. Got the full fiberglass finished helm here with the aluminum tilt wheel. You've got your hours meter, depth finder, your nice instrument cluster. The Fusion stereo is Bluetooth, which is great. Nice little storage spot here for your keys and your phone. You probably heard me say it. It's going to keep your Country Time lemonade cooled here with your Captain's Cooled cup holder. This boat has a metallic black exterior paired up with the rustic weathered gray polyvinyl flooring, and then we talked about the light gray interior with the darker accents. So what a wonderful look. The premium stereo sounds great, and it does have the LED lighting rings around the speakers for a cool, neat glow in the evenings. This one has the changing station, if you will, or could use that for an area for a porta potty if you wish. Please give us a call here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia, so we can discuss this and other crests that we have in stock. We can be reached at 770-614-6968. Thanks for listening. I hope you have a great day.